Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a bootable file for your flash drive instead of taking it to a computer store where when you want to format your system, but you can create a bootable file on your flash disks and then use it to format your system. So let's get started. So the first step is try to get an ISO file of the windows you need. There are different places that you can get the ISO file from. You can get it directly from the Windows website. If you go to the Windows website, you can get it there, and there are also many places that you can get the ISO file. For me, I have my own here, and this is my own ISO file that I want to create the bootable this thing for. So once you get your bootable your ISO file, then the next thing is you try to download Rufus. Rufus is one that there are different software that you can use for that, but I prefer Rufus because I've been using Rufus and it has been really working fine for me. So there are different softwares that you can use. You can get into PC, you can use different software, but Rufus is kind of still okay and cool. So I'll open my browser. So once you open your browser, oh man, I've closed it again. Yes. So you open your browser, you just type Rufus, then you just click, check it out on Google. See, I can see where Rufus here. Then you try to download Rufus. So you download it here. You can download now. I've downloaded Rufus right now. So the next thing is I need to install this Rufus. So I'll click on this and make sure I install Rufus. So my Rufus is being installed. Now, as I said earlier, I told you need to get um, the ISO file for the windows you want to create. You want to create the image for the bootable image for. So this is my Windows 10 that I want to use. So once you get the ISO file, also you try to get this software Rufus. Then you need to check. You need to get a flash drive, a flash drive that you will use to do you create the bootable image on. Now the flash drive, you check the size of the flash drive. If your ISO image is 5 gig, for example, then you must use a flash drive that's above 6 gig, maybe like 6 gig and above, just to be on the safer side. So you can have an ISO file of 5 gig and use like a flash disks of 2 gig. So just make sure that it's above the size of the ISO file. So once you open your Rufus, you insert the flash disks into your system. Like now I have a flash disk here, so immediately you insert it into your system, it's going to show on the Rufus. You can see I have a 16 gig this thing there. It's named multi-boot. This 16 gig. I have it on it. Now, once you immediately insert it to show on the Rufus, but if you check your this computer, you can see I have this my flash disk. Now, one thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to, since it has shown us this thing, all I need to do is try to select my ISO file. You understand? So I'll go to desktop because it's saved on desktop. This is desktop, yeah. So now I can see my ISO file. This Windows 10, this is another Windows 10. So I want to create this as an ISO file. Then you click on it, then you open. So now it has loaded my ISO file on this thing. So then I can now start. Now it gives you warning, all data on this device multi-boot will be destroyed. So you click OK because you must make sure that the flash disk is empty. So that's what I try to do. So it's going to erase all what's on the flash disk, and I said OK. I said deleting partition, then your Windows is being created. So guys, immediately, So your this is being created. So immediately this is done, the whole this thing will be green, and once it's green, then it will show this start. This start will be like this cancel. It will show full start again. So then you have successfully created the Dix image, and then you have done. You're free to use this thing. You are free to use it for creating. Or you are free to use it to format your system or to reinstall your Windows or anything you want to do. So thank you guys for watching this.